Let's talk about Chow Tai Fook. First of all, why is that on your radar, Catherine?
Well, Yvonne, David, you guys are in Hong Kong, so you would have actually heard over the weekend or maybe been to Shenzhen yourself over the weekend that, we are seeing an exodus of residents and a shift in spending, to China instead of Hong Kong. And if you actually look at the initial numbers from the first 3 days itself, a 76% year-on-year increase in exodus of, Hong Kong residents to China, and just about a 35% inbound traffic from China into Hong Kong itself. So, there's a very high likelihood that, it's not going to be a pretty much retail sales in Hong Kong. And how does Chow Tai Fook really plays into this? Now, this is one of the, most followed jeweler in Hong Kong itself. The good news is that, the company has shifted bulk of its business to Hong Kong, but there is still a proportion in Hong Kong, whereby, they shifted bulk to China, and there's still a good portion in Hong Kong. So they may not actually see as great sales, in the Hong Kong retail market, whereby rents are actually still high.
Okay, well, round up. So we have 9 more to choose from. Some, of course, are I have to say, of course, outside of the Asia Pacific. But yeah, take your pick. What else do you want to talk about here among the 9?
Sure. You know what, David? Out of the 10, we have 3 coming out of Asia. One of them would be CSE Financials, China's second largest broker. But perhaps, the last one, Tencent itself, is something that, everyone still has their eyes on, on the gaming side of the market. And on a relative basis, we've seen all that, bust and, chaos that's going on in Alibaba, if I can actually put it this way. I think Rob, my colleague, is actually still positive on the stock, particularly on the online gaming sector.